Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yandere Simulator on MacBook Air. While this popular game is designed for Windows, your MacBook Air can still run it with a few clever workarounds. We'll dive into two primary methods that allow you to enjoy the game on your Apple device. Each approach has its own benefits and considerations, so you can pick the one that feels right for you and your machine. Our first method involves using compatibility layers like Crossover. This software acts as a bridge, translating the Windows game's instructions so your Mac OS can understand them. It's a lighter solution than running an entire operating system, often requiring less storage space. While performance can sometimes be a bit unpredictable, many users find this a straightforward way to get Windows-only games running on their MacBook Air. Next, consider using a virtual machine, such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion. These powerful applications allow you to install a complete version of Windows directly onto your MacBook Air, running it alongside Mac OS. This provides the highest level of compatibility for Windows games, often delivering smooth gameplay. Remember, you will generally need a valid Windows license to set up your virtual environment properly. Regardless of the method you choose, a few tips will help optimize your Yandere Simulator experience. Always ensure your MacBook Air has at least 20 gigabytes of free storage for installations and temporary files. Close unnecessary applications to free up system resources. If you encounter performance issues, try lowering the in-game graphics settings. Keeping your chosen compatibility layer or virtual machine software updated is also crucial for stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.